As we climb higher on the ladder of biological classification, we encounter a broader category called the order. After grouping species into a genus and related genera into a family, the order is the next step. An order brings together multiple families that share significant structural or functional traits. Think of it like zooming out on a family tree to see several related branches grouped together. This level helps scientists organize the vast diversity of life, offering a broader yet precise understanding of biological relationships. Consider the animal order Carnivora. It includes families like Felidae, which has cats, lions, and tigers, and Canidae, which has dogs, wolves, and foxes. At first glance, a lion and a fox seem worlds apart, but look closer. They share key features: sharp teeth, clawed limbs, skeletal adaptations for hunting, and carnivorous diets. These shared characteristics unite them under the same order. This grouping shows that, beneath their differences, lies a common evolutionary blueprint. The plant world follows the same principle. Take the order Polymoniales, which includes families like Solanaceae, home to potatoes and tomatoes, and Convolvulaceae, which includes morning glory. These plants may seem unrelated, some feed us, others beautify our gardens, but their floral structures reveal a hidden connection. Features like five-petaled flowers, fused petals, and similar ovary structures unite them. This shows that different functions can grow from the same genetic foundation. Grouping families into an order isn't random guesswork. Taxonomists rely on multiple layers of evidence: external morphology, reproductive traits, internal anatomy, and even DNA sequencing. It's not just about how organisms appear on the surface but what they share deep within their structure and genes. This scientific approach ensures that classification mirrors real evolutionary relationships rather than superficial similarities. In the classification hierarchy, order sits above family and below class. As we climb higher, organisms share fewer traits, but the patterns of life become clearer. The order level acts like a compass, guiding us through the complexity of biological relationships. Without it, classification would become scattered and confusing. It strikes the perfect balance between detail and generalization, connecting the dots between diverse groups. Understanding orders goes beyond textbooks. It has real-world importance. It allows biologists to compare functional groups like carnivores versus herbivores or monocots versus dicots across ecosystems. It supports ecological studies, conservation efforts, and evolutionary research. When we classify organisms into orders like Carnivora or Polymoniales, we aren't just labeling them. We are uncovering deep evolutionary links that help us understand how life is organized, how it evolved, and how to preserve its richness.